Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is how I cook my greens. That little bit of white there that's slowly melting away is bacon grease. I've got ham hocks in here, and then I'll add cut up collards. And I just cook them on a low heat until those collards are wilted. And you can add a couple of cloves of garlic and as much onion as you love, because I love onion, as y'all well know. But this is a collaboration with Sandy's Adventure channel and of Stacie's channel. Stacie does some good cooking. She made a cold kale salad, and that'll be linked in the description, as well as Sandy's greens. And take a look at those, and put a link to your how you cook your greens in the comment section, and it'll automatically go to a folder, but I'll look in there and I'll get it out. But these greens will be delicious. These ham hocks will be too. I'll cut all that fat off, and the dog will enjoy that. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.